So this is a 1968 T100C Triumph, and it's got a non-professional restoration to it. Got 10 miles on the motor from what I've been told. Brand new set of tires. All the rubber looks really pretty nice and clean. Chrome has been polished up. Most of the original parts were done and used. I see this pipe has a little corrosion at the top of it, and I think we'll just turn this on and see what happens with a cold start. So I'll put gas on that side. It's got the real nice tail light on it there. Brand new tire on the rear. This does have a state of Montana title and a current registration for 2013. We'll turn our fuel on over here. Bike's not been ridden in a couple of 6 to 8 weeks, and we'll tickle this carb right here. There we go, got a little fuel running, and I'm going to hand the camera over to my trusted friend here. I think he's trusted.
Wait a minute.